Hey, first graders, I decided we need to get back to doing some of our blue words so that we learn these because they might be on your spelling tests and just for something a little extra. So, I'll make a couple videos with our blue words and then you can practice using those every day and however you want to practice. So our first one is Yelp. Yelp, you yelp when you cry out quickly and sharply in pain. So the puppy yelped when Chris accidentally stepped on its paw. Okay, so I know my puppies have definitely yelped before when I accidentally stepped on their tail or something like that. So I just remember yelp as yell. Okay, so some questions. When might you yelp? When you're stung by a bee? Yes. When you eat a hamburger? No. When you step barefoot on a tack? Yes. When you feel like you're going to fall? Yes. When you draw a picture? No. So it says, tell about a time when you yelped or you heard a yelp. So see if you can tell mom and dad a time when you yelped or you heard one. And then go ahead and give out a yelp. All right, we're done with Yelp. We're moving to our next blue word, swift. Something that is swift moves very quickly. A swift wind quickly blew the sailboats out to sea. Which words mean about the same as swift? Pokey? No. Quick? Yes. Speedy? Yes. Slow? No. Fast? Yes. What is something swift that flies through the air? I would think maybe an airplane. Okay. Tell about some swift animals. So go ahead and tell mom, dad, brother, sister, any animals that you think are swift. They move pretty quickly. All right, moving to our next one, cluster. A cluster is a number of things of the same kind that grow or are grouped close together. Mom tucked a small cluster of green grapes into my lunchbox. Which of the following can grow in clusters? Pencils? No. Flowers? Yes. Stars? Yep. Grass? Sure. Bananas? Sure. It says, do you ever form a cluster with your teammates before you play a game? What do you do and say after forming a cluster with them? So go ahead and form a cluster with your family. And our last word, it's kind of a weird, strange word. It's gnaw. So the G is silent. You gnaw on something when you chew on it again and again. My dog loves to gnaw on toy bones I buy at the pet store. Which foods can you gnaw? A scoop of ice cream? Nope. A cup of yogurt? Nope. Barbecued ribs? Yes. A piece of hard cheese? Yes. A carrot? Yes. Pretend that you are a dog gnawing on a bone. And which of your teeth do you use for gnawing? This one is a good one for Kobe because Kobe gnaws on bones all day long. So does Kenzie. So to review, our blue words for this week are yelp, swift, cluster, gnaw. So see if you can practice those 4 words this week.